May I come in, miss?
Yes, come on. Tell me about yourself.
I'm a computer science graduate with 3 years of experience in software development, IT support, networking. I have worked on several projects involving mention relevant tools or skills like Python, Java, troubleshooting, etc., and I'm passionate about solving problems through technology. I'm now looking for a role where I can apply my technical skills and continue learning.
What programming languages or tools are you most comfortable with?
I'm most comfortable with mention languages, for example, Python, Java, JavaScript, and I also have experience using tools like Git, VS Code, and SQL databases. I'm always open to learning new technologies as needed.
Can you describe a technical problem you solved?
In my last project, our system was running slow due to inefficient queries. I analyzed the code, optimized the database queries, and reduced load time by 40%. It improved user experience significantly.
Are you comfortable working in a team environment?
Yes, absolutely. In my previous job, I worked closely with designers, developers, and QA testers. We used Agile methodology, and I enjoyed the collaborative process and learned a lot from team discussions.
What is the difference between RAM and ROM?
RAM, random access memory, is temporary memory used by the system to store data that is actively being used or processed. ROM, read-only memory, is permanent memory that contains the system's firmware or boot instructions.
What do you know about cybersecurity?
I understand the basics of cybersecurity like data encryption, firewalls, secure coding, and user authentication. I also follow best practices to avoid vulnerabilities, such as input validation and regularly updating software.
Why do you want to work in our company?
I admire your focus on innovation and technology. Your recent projects in, for example, cloud computing, app development, really caught my attention. I believe I can contribute to your team with my background and passion for technology.
How do you handle pressure when solving technical issues?
I stay calm and approach the issue step by step. I break the problem down, use logs and debugging tools, and collaborate with colleagues if needed. I believe every problem has a solution, we just have to stay focused.
Do you have any questions for us?
Yes. Can you tell me more about the team I'd be working with? What are the current technologies or projects you're most excited about?